Hello friends, today I am sharing this easy Christmas nail art design for short nails. As I have broken some of my nails and I had been doing a little bit of gardening, so my hands are not in the perfect condition, but I hope you like these easy nail art designs. This first design is a very easy snowflake design, and this is a very easy trick to make the snowflake. Apply any base polish of your choice, and I used a white matte polish to make the dots as shown. You can make it even with the normal polishes, but I couldn't find my white polish, so I used the matte one. Once the dots are done, all you need is a thin striping brush to join all the dots and to get the shape of the snowflake. Since I used a matte polish, it is looking a little bit untidy, but if you use a top coat over it, it will smoothen out the rough surface. So simply join all the dots with these thin lines, and after that I used a cleaner brush with a little nail polish remover to clean off the excess lines which had come on the cuticle. And once the design dries up, all you need to do is apply a layer of glossy top coat, and you can further enhance the design by applying a rhinestone on the center of the snowflake. And in this manner you can create this pretty snowflake very easily. This second design is a very easy polka dot nail art design using the colors of Christmas, that is gold, red and green. And I have made this over a grey base. You can also use white or any other polish as the base color. Use the gold polish to first create some polka dots, some larger and some smaller in size, and when it dries up, add green and red dots over it, and then let it dry completely. And the final step as usual is sealing in the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat, and your easy polka dot Christmas nail art design is done. This next drag marble design is also very easy to do. I have used some icy blue polish for the base, and then I used a white polish and 2 shades of green polish for the dragging design. So simply make a semicircle using the white polish. This is actually a sky colored polish as I couldn't find my white polish, and then I used light green and dark green colors. Then using a thin striping brush, I dragged the design upwards, and then finally I dragged it downwards from the center as shown, and you get these beautiful petals. Clean up any polish which has come out on the cuticles using a cleanup brush and nail polish remover. And I also added a confetti towards the end of the nail where the design is joining together. You can also use a rhinestone, and once the design dries up, apply a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design, and your very easy Christmassy nail art design is done. I hope you liked these 3 easy nail art designs for Christmas, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.